Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Ecotune Plug and Drive is probably one of the most talked about fuel-saving devices on the market right now, promising to significantly boost your car's mileage and reduce your carbon footprint with a simple plug-and-play solution. But does this little gadget live up to the hype, or is it just another gimmick preying on drivers' desires for cheaper gas? In this video, we're diving deep into the Ecotune Plug and Drive to see if it's the real deal for your wallet and the environment. Number 5. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool. Introducing the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan Tool. It's the easiest way to understand your vehicle's diagnostics, just like a professional mechanic. You can read and clear trouble codes, and even check your engine light. Gain access to advanced vehicle diagnostics, including ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS codes. This tool provides information typically only available to professional mechanics, empowering you to understand more about your car. Go beyond just reading codes. Get unlimited repair reports with potential causes and fixes. Plus, monitor your vehicle's health in real time while you drive with the live data feature. Enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity. It connects to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth, plugging into your car's OBDII port. Experience the power of an expensive code reader without any messy wires. Our intuitive app for iOS and Android connects you to a vast database of repair videos. Get step-by-step guidance to help you fix your vehicle with confidence. With a single purchase, you get everything you need. There are no subscription fees, in-app purchases, or hidden add-ons. Your privacy is also protected, with no sale of personal data. It works with all gas-powered vehicles made in 1996 or newer in North America. Get advanced diagnostics for a wide range of makes and models, ensuring broad compatibility. What we like. If you want to understand your car like a professional mechanic, this is the tool for you. It offers comprehensive diagnostics for check engine, ABS, and airbag codes, along with unlimited repair reports. If you're looking for a powerful, all-inclusive diagnostic solution without ongoing costs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Ecotune Plug and Drive Gas Saver is a great product that really works. It is easy to install and use. The product is very effective in saving gas. Number 4. MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBDII Scanner. Meet the MOTOPOWER MP69033, your reliable partner for car diagnostics. This powerful tool is designed to help you understand your vehicle's engine health with ease. It offers a wide range of practical functions, including reading and clearing engine fault codes, viewing freeze frame data, and checking readiness for emissions tests. You can also access vehicle information, monitor live data streams, and check engine coolant temperature. This device is compatible with most cars manufactured since 1996 in the US, and since 2000 in Europe and Asia. It supports multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for a global audience. Featuring a large 2.8-inch LCD display with a backlight and contrast adjustment, it's easy to read in any lighting condition. It draws power directly from your vehicle, so no batteries or chargers are needed. Its compact design includes a long, flexible cable and intuitive buttons for easy navigation. Quickly query VIN numbers and DTC fault codes with dedicated buttons. Please note that while it excels at reading and clearing check engine information, it does not support non-OBDII systems like ABS or airbag codes. Simply plug it into your car's OBDII port, turn on the ignition, and press OK to connect. Start the engine to view live data. If you encounter any connection issues, our customer support is ready to assist you. What we like. For those who need a straightforward and reliable way to read and clear engine codes, this scanner is a great option. It features a built-in code library and supports a wide range of vehicles. If you're looking for a no-fuss, easy-to-use diagnostic tool that powers directly from your car, this is a practical choice. What people say. The Ecotune Plug and Drive Gas Saver is a compact device that plugs directly into your car's OBDII port. It is designed to optimize fuel consumption by adjusting engine parameters based on driving style. Users have reported noticeable improvements in miles per gallon after installing the device. Number 3. GOOACC GRC 3120 PCS Car Retainer Replacement Kit. Introducing the GOOACC GRC30, a comprehensive 120-piece car retainer replacement kit. It's designed to cover a wide range of automotive needs. This kit includes 4 essential hole sizes, 6.4mm, 8mm, 9mm, and 10mm. These are perfect for various applications on your vehicle. Crafted from high-quality black nylon, these retainers are built to last. They resist wear and corrosion, ensuring they won't break or crack easily. They are ideal for replacing trim panel clips, door panel clips, bumper clips, and fender clips. You can also use them for engine covers and splash shield retainers. Enjoy a universal fit for many vehicle brands. The package also includes a convenient fastener remover for easy installation and removal. You'll receive 120 push rivet clips in 4 sizes, plus 1 fastener remover. This kit provides everything you need for common automotive repairs. What we like. If you frequently work on your car's interior or exterior trim and need a variety of fasteners, this kit is ideal. It offers a wide range of sizes and includes a tool for easy removal. If you're looking for a comprehensive and convenient solution for replacing bumper and trim clips, this universal set is a must-have. What people say. The Ecotune Plug and Drive Gas Saver is a compact device that plugs directly into your car's OBDII port. It is designed to optimize fuel consumption by adjusting engine parameters based on driving style. Users have reported noticeable improvements in fuel efficiency after installing the device. Number 2. Thinkdiag OBDII Bluetooth Scanner. Discover the power of professional automotive diagnostics with this advanced Bluetooth OBDII scanner. It's designed to provide OE-level insights for both mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Perform over 15 essential maintenance functions, including oil resets, ABS bleeding, and injector coating. It helps you precisely service your vehicle with adaptive relearn capabilities. This tool offers comprehensive full-system diagnostics for most car models, reading and clearing DTCs, live data, and module information. It covers over 120 car brands with a year of free updates. Unlock hidden potential features for specific car brands like BMW and Benz. You can also adjust settings to enhance vehicle performance, making it a versatile tool for any owner or technician. Conduct active tests on various components like windows, doors, and fuel pumps. This feature allows you to send commands to systems, saving time and effort in diagnosing issues. Transform your smartphone into a professional diagnostic tool compatible with both iOS and Android. It automatically identifies your vehicle via AutoVIN and generates shareable health reports. Seamlessly communicate with FCA's SGW authentication system for advanced diagnostics. This feature bypasses the SGM, providing full access without needing a bypass cable. What we like. This is the ultimate tool for serious DIYers and professional mechanics who need advanced capabilities. It offers full system diagnostics, over 15 reset functions, and bidirectional control for in-depth testing. If you're looking for a professional-grade scanner with extensive features and OE-level accuracy, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Ecotune Plug and Drive Gas Saver is a great product that helps save fuel. It is easy to install and use, and it really works to improve fuel efficiency. I have noticed a significant difference in my gas mileage since using this device. Number 1. ANCEL AD310 OBDII Scanner. Meet the ANCEL AD310, a top-selling OBDII scanner recommended by auto experts. It quickly identifies the cause of your check engine light and clears emission-related trouble codes after repairs. This device is built to last with a thick, flexible cable and a sleek, compact design. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient to take anywhere. Get accurate and fast results in seconds. It reads and clears engine trouble codes, helping you fix problems immediately without needing extensive car knowledge. It powers directly from your vehicle. It supports all major OBDII protocols and is compatible with most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and Asian cars. This includes light trucks and SUVs, both domestic and foreign. Its portable size and accurate performance make it ideal for home use or travel. It's a great tool for anyone who needs to check their car's emission system. Please note, this scanner is designed for emission-related issues only and requires an OBDII interface. It cannot diagnose non-emission-related engine faults or work with OBDII interfaces. What we like. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use tool to quickly diagnose and clear-check engine lights related to emissions, this is a solid choice. It's praised for its accuracy and build quality. If you're looking for a straightforward, durable scanner that's perfect for home use or travel, this is a highly recommended option. What people say. The Ecotune Plug and Drive Gas Saver is a compact device that plugs directly into your car's OBDII port. It monitors your driving habits and optimizes fuel consumption by adjusting engine parameters in real time. Users have reported noticeable improvements in fuel efficiency, with some seeing up to a 15% reduction in gas usage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.